Here are some best practices for HIM leaders. Number 1. Lead by example. Demonstrate professionalism, integrity, and a commitment to ethical standards in all HIM activities. Your behavior sets the tone for the entire department. Number 2. Clear vision and strategy. Develop a clear vision for the HIM department's role in the organization and a strategic plan to achieve that vision. Communicate this vision to your team. Number 3. Effective communication. Establish open and transparent communication channels within the department. Regularly update staff on departmental goals, changes, and expectations. Number 4. Empowerment. Encourage and empower team members to take ownership of their work and make decisions within their scope of responsibility. Number 5. Collaboration. Foster collaboration between HIM and other departments, such as clinical, IT, and finance. Cross-functional teamwork is essential in healthcare. Number 6. Change management. Be prepared to lead through change. Healthcare is constantly evolving, and HIM leaders must adapt to new technologies, regulations, and practices. Number 7. Staff development. Invest in the development of your team members. Provide training, mentorship, and opportunities for advancement to help them reach their full potential. Number 8. Data-driven decision-making. Promote the use of data and analytics to inform decision-making within HIM. Data-driven insights can lead to more effective operations and improved patient care. Number 9. Quality improvement. Establish a culture of continuous improvement. Encourage staff to identify and address areas for improvement in HIM processes and workflows. Number 10. Patient-centered care. Emphasize the importance of patient-centered care. Ensure that HIM practices align with the goal of providing high-quality care while protecting patient privacy. Number 11. Resource management. Effectively manage department resources, including budgets, staffing, and technology, to optimize efficiency and effectiveness. Number 12. Ethical decision-making. Navigate ethical dilemmas with integrity and ensure that your team understands the ethical standards expected in HIM. Number 13. Self-development. Continuously develop your own leadership skills through education, networking, and mentorship. Remember that effective leadership in HIM is not only about managing processes and data, but also about inspiring and motivating your team to excel in their roles while keeping patient care and compliance at the forefront of all activities.